Industrial refrigeration units are a type of refrigeration machinery that is often used by various industrial enterprises. It can better guarantee the production requirements for refrigeration in the production process. Widely used in low-temperature reaction fields of chemical, pharmaceutical, biochemical and other industries, correct maintenance can effectively improve the service life of industrial refrigerator equipment. In the daily maintenance of the freezer, the following points need to be paid attention to. 1. The environment around the production of the refrigeration units should be cleaned regularly. Do not pile up sundries and inflammables near the unit. If the unit is placed indoors, the unit should also be ventilated. 2. When cleaning the condenser of the refrigeration units, turn off the main engine first, and use a brush to remove dust along the direction of the heat exchange fins. You can also use a vacuum cleaner or high-pressure air to blow off the dirt between the sleeves. When washing with water, avoid splashing on the motor or other electrical appliances. On file. 3. When cleaning the water tray and evaporator, use low-pressure water to rinse, and the remaining water will leak out from the drain pipe. During the cleaning process, prevent large debris from blocking the drain.